Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Detecting and Characterizing Extremist Reviewer Groups in Online Product Reviews. The same project we have also developed in Java using NLP, Stanford algorithm. You can check the output video in this channel, but in Python we are going to do in a different manner. Here in this project we are going to use two data sets. One data set, for the first data set is like we'll be analyzing the extremist reviewer based on the commands given, and the second data set will be identifying the extremist reviewer based on the reviews, the verified purchase and all kinds of data set. Let us see the execution of the project. So while execution of the project, you can just copy this amazon.csv file and paste in D drive, or if you wanted to change this location also, you can change in the code. Now I will execute the project. And this is the welcome screen, the home screen of the project with the project title Detecting and Characterizing Extremist Reviewer Groups in Online Product Reviews, and click login. You can just log in with the static username and password admin and click login. And here you can see the abstract that is mentioned in the base paper, and click next. And here you can upload the first data set. Before uploading, I'll show you the data set of it. Here you can see upload and upload to. The first data set is upload. This is the data set that we are going to upload, the ID, the label and the review text. And click upload. Here you can preview the data set. So you can just scroll down till the end of the page and you can see the complete data set is being loaded, and click to train. And now you can see the training is finished, and click OK. Now here you can predict the extremist reviewer based on the commands, and in the test folder you can just see the commands and we have segregated, and you can check with any data. Right now I will show you both the cases, that is the normal moderate case and also the extremist case. And click predict. Now here you can see the result is moderate. Now let me show you the other case, that is the extremist case. Here you can see the result extremist. So you can check with some other data also. So I have shown you both the cases. You can check with some other data also. And now let me show the other data set. Upload to the product review data. So here I'll show you this upload to. We are going to upload the second CSV, upload to.csv, and click upload. Here you can preview the data set which has the average upvotes, average sentiment, our group time window, review count, rating deviation, yearly time, verified purchase, average rating and label. So these are the features that is available in this dataset, and you can scroll down till the complete end of the page and you can see the complete dataset, and click to train test. Now once the training is finished, you can see the training finish message and click OK. And now you can see the analysis part, that is the reviews posted by the extremist and the moderate, the percentage of the moderate and the reviewers. And next analysis part is like we'll be having a verified purchase. In this verified purchase, how much positive, negative and neutral given by the extremists, and in the as a moderate, how many positive, negative and neutral given by the moderate. So both are the verified purchase data. And then the next part is like here you can see the extremist and moderate group time window. So you can see extremist as 700 and moderate as 400. And this is the conclusion and future work of the project, which is mentioned in the base paper. And this is all about the project detecting and characterizing extremist reviewer groups in online product reviews developed in Python. And thank you.